Is the Windows keyboard shortcut for taking screenshots, which is Windows, Shift, and S key, no longer working for you? Then don't worry, because there are easy ways to fix this issue. Firstly, try to update your Windows. To do it, go to Settings, choose Windows Update, then select Check for updates to update your computer. Next up, make sure Clipboard History is enabled. All you have to do is go to Settings, click System, choose Clipboard, and the toggle should be colored. Now another method is to enable the Snip and Sketch notification. Do it by going to Settings, click System, choose Notifications, click Snipping Tool, and then make sure that the toggle is on. Lastly, reset the Snipping Tool application. To do so, open Apps and Features, click Snipping Tool, click More Options, click Advanced Options, then scroll down and click the Reset option. And those are the ways on how you can fix the Windows key, Shift, and the letter S not working for screenshots on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.